Want to catch M all on a bigger screen? First, download an Android emulator like BlueStacks or Noxflare. Just search for them in your browser and follow the download and installation instructions for your operating system. Next, set up a Google account within the emulator and configure your virtual location settings. This lets you tell the game where you are, even if you're actually at your desk. This is often found under the emulator's settings or advanced options. Open the built-in Google Play Store inside the emulator, search for Pokémon Go, and hit that install button. Launch the game, log in with your Pokémon Trainer Club account or Google account, and enable the necessary permissions, just like you would on your phone. Configure the Keymapping feature in the emulator to simulate walking and interacting with the game. That's how you'll walk around and catch Pokémon because, of course, your laptop won't walk for you. That's it. Now, with a bit of tweaking and setup, you can start your laptop Pokémon adventure from the comfort of your home. Enjoy the bigger screen and happy hunting!